Good morning. My name is Rizki Aziz. I am from Environmental Engineering Department, Universitas Andalas. I will present my study about solid waste management system model of village tourism area of Nagari Pariangan, Indonesia. Nagari Pariangan is one of the most popular tourism attraction or location in Tanah Datar Regency, West Sumatra Province, Indonesia. Is Nagari ever chosen as one of the 5 most beautiful villages in the world, based on the report of travel budgets, the tourism media of United States. By increasing the number of visitors to this area, it means also increase of tourist waste. Meanwhile, this area doesn't have a waste management system yet. The waste generated in this area was improperly managed. Waste independently collected and threw into the river or ditch and also burned. If waste cannot be appropriately managed, it will harmful for the environment, and also later it will also affect the tourism attractiveness to this area. Meanwhile, the government has a plan to apply and improve the solid waste management by applying the approach by the reduce and reuse recycle concept. By considering the solid waste management problems, the regulation and also the tourism development plan, it is necessary to develop a solid waste management system model for this area in order to increase the tourist attraction and maintain the environmental sustainability. The study objectives are to analyze the generation, composition and recycling potential of solid waste of Nagari Pariangan. Second, to analyze the existing practice of solid waste management system, and the last is to develop a solid waste management system model. The methodology applied for this study consists of 5 steps: the literature review, the secondary data collection about description of the location, number of tourist facilities, area, number of visitors, and also map of tourism areas. The third and the important part are data collection of primary data, which is about the solid waste management practice, and also the measurement of solid waste generation, composition, and recycling potential. The fourth step was evaluation of existing solid waste management practice, and the last was develop solid waste management system model, which is includes technical aspect and non-technical aspects, which is referred to the national standard of Indonesia, national constitution, and ministerial regulation about solid waste management. We move on to the result and discussion. First is the existing practices of solid waste management. From this figure, we can see how they manage the waste. We can see waste in the river, in the ditch, and also the burn waste that practices in this area. The solid waste generation of the residential area is about 0.928 liter per cap per day, and from the tourism area is about 0.697 liter square meter per day. And type of waste that we found in the location: food waste, yard waste, plastic, hazardous waste, and other waste. Which is the highest waste composition is food waste, around 35% of total waste, and plastic waste at 32%. Recycling potential for its waste type, yard waste, tin can, and paper can fully recycle, while food waste only around 89%, while plastic only 32%. The problem we can identify in the location, uh, a high percentage of plastic waste, no community concern as a waste producer to reduce and utilize waste. People tend to use product packaging that cannot be recycled. Some waste generated is burned. Waste hasn't been separated. There are no waste containers. Absence of a collection system. There is no vehicles. There is no regulation on the area. There is no financial budget for regional waste management, and no organization manage the waste management. And fourth, the development needs. The development need include the technical aspect and non-technical aspect. The development of waste management need to create a waste management system, which is consists of storage, collection, processing, transfer, and transport system, and also about the financial, the community participation, and the regulation. And the model of solid waste management system that we propose on this study can be seen in this table. First, it is related to the technical aspect, the storage, the collection, treatment, processing, transfer and transport, and landfilling. And this is the non-technical about regulation, financial, institution, and community participation. And the conclusion, the waste generated in Nagari to Pariangan area was improperly managed. The average waste generation can be read in this passage. And the solid waste management system model consists of technical and non-technical aspects. Start from storage, collection, treatment and processing, transportation, and landfilling. Meanwhile, for non-technical aspect consists of developing the institutional structure, financial source planning, and participation of visitors in the area. And the recommendation, it will be interesting to assess the solid waste management system by applying the life cycle assessment. And thanks to the Institute for Research and Community Service of Universitas Andalas for financial support to this study. Thank you.